It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. And here we've got our clubhouse. I'll take you guys in just now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an apartment tour. So this is my lovely kitchen. Oh my gosh guys, I am obsessed with this kitchen. I love the white and the black tabs. The aesthetic is giving, honey. It is giving. And I've got a gas stove, which I really like. So right now I'm just basically showing you the stove, and then here obviously that's the gas tank. And guys, everything about this apartment is beautiful. So it comes with a dishwasher as well as a washing machine and a fridge. So I didn't have to buy too much furniture. I did not have to buy anything at all. So those are my lovely flowers, as you can see. And everything about the kitchen, guys, is just, it looks beautiful, I think. And then moving right over, okay, I'm just basically just still showing you the kitchen here, I'm guessing. There's plenty of cupboard space. The bathroom, you guys, look at my bathroom. How gorgeous is this there? What of content we're going to take here? There's a little cupboard space there for my toiletries, and then the black aesthetic is just giving. So it's gray with this touch of black that I find really, really, really beautiful. The shower as well, it has all these black elements to it. Guys, I just love this apartment so much. I'm so happy. And then I'm just giving you guys now just a view again of the kitchen and how it looks from a distance. And there's also already a fiber installed. The only thing I don't like is the balcony. The balcony is so small, guys. I was really hoping for a nice big balcony so I can have a patio, but it's not happening. It's just not happening. And it also comes with blinds installed already, so that's a big plus. And then this is my bedroom. It's a decent sized bedroom, and the wardrobe space, I think it is enough for me. And I love the fact that there's like a door here. You can go through the bathroom there, and then guests don't have to actually go into my bedroom in order for them to go to the bathroom. There's a separate door for that. So this is how big the bedroom is. I think it's now space for myself. It's a one bedroom apartment. I absolutely love the black touches, or rather finishes. It just makes the place look so gorgeous. And then you see, this is what I'm talking about. So if you see there's like two doors. This is a door to the bathroom, and then a person coming in, they can just enter through the other door. And then here we've got a coffee shop. And then after the coffee shop, we've got a pedal court. We've got a pedal court, you guys. How gorgeous. There's two pedal courts. And then at the end, there's also a kids play area. Guys, this sold me because I recently started liking e-pedal. So this was just like, you know what? I'm taking this apartment. After I saw this, I'm just like, you know what? It's done. You don't need to tell me anymore. Say less. Say less. I love everything about this apartment. I am obsessed. I can't wait to invite my friends over so we can have like a little pedal date, and it's just gonna be so amazing. So amazing. And then this side, this is the what do you call this place again? I forgot. But there's two swimming pools, and then there's the what is this? There's a little chilling area. I forgot, what is this place called? There's a name for it. It slipped my mind. And then this is the chilling. This is the chilling spot. There's like bathrooms all over. And then if you go up the stairs, there's the little what's this workstation. So for some of us who work from home, that is perfect. So they've got like little couches all around and stuff and tables. And then this is the second pool, which looks beautiful. And then by the door there where I'm pointing, we've got the gym section. Guys, when I tell you this apartment is everything I want, I mean just that. This is the little bright area. And then this is the gym. The gym isn't that much, but it's workable. And then it also has this view to the different pools. Oh guys, it's gorgeous. I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice. And I just can't wait to decorate the place and make it my home. So after this, I will take you guys. I've already filmed a vlog for you guys. So after this video, you are going to see the vlog of me moving into the apartment. Yay!